Well, hello everybody. It's Trainer Tom, and tonight's episode is about a technology and services that I offer here locally, and it's called the Body Sculpting and Skin Rejuvenation Services. So it's at my website at www.thomaskunkel.com, and when you go in to the website, look at the body sculpting and skin rejuvenation, and you can see what the services are. All right, so what is it? I'm utilizing two technologies. One is ultrasound, and the second is radio frequency. So the ultrasound cavitation, this technology has been out for around 17 years. It was invented in Italy, and then it was adopted in Europe, and then adopted in South America. Colombians have used this for a long time. It's now been here in the States. It's safe. It's FDA approved. And what does it do? It basically vibrates the fat cells at a specific frequency, and those fat cells then leak out the triglycerides, or the fats that are in the cell. So it leaks out, and then it goes into the lymphatic system. So then your body disposes as it would with lymphatic. So it takes, a time to get that out. So what's different between that technology and, say, a liposuction, a cool sculpting that freezes, or somebody that's sticking a needle inside of you and injecting a chemistry, or somebody that's sucking stuff out of you, or surgically removing fat? So the ultrasound is not killing the fat cell, all right? So the fat cell just, it deflates, okay? It's still there. Does this work? Yeah, it works absolutely fantastic. In fact, tonight I performed a treatment just standing here on myself, and I removed 1 inch around my waistline right here below the ribs, and then another inch right around the navel. It took me 45 minutes, 1 inch, 1 inch. You're like, what? Yeah, believe me, I've had clients that I've done this to, and they've lost 3 inches. So it just depends on how much you have to give, right? So is it permanent? It's as permanent as your diet, okay? So if you think that this is, perfect weight loss, I'm going to lose inches. Yes, you are going to lose inches, no doubt. But if you go right back into your crappy diet lifestyle, I did not remove those fat cells. I just deflated the fat, right? It's fluid. It's going to flush out of your body. I need you to drink a lot of water, all right? Stay away from caffeine, stay away from alcohol for 48 hours, just to get that out of your lymphatic system. Move it out, right? So if you're in a gym, I want you to work out, because that's now fat has been mobilized, and we can use that for energy, right? So move around, okay? I then followed that up with a radio frequency. Now, why the radio frequency? The radio frequency is there because, you just lost 1 inch, 2 or 3, right? So you have potentially loose skin. So I need to provide a technology that's going to tighten that skin back up just like that. And so the radio frequency treatment is that technology. And I also have infrared, near infrared light therapy, red light. The combination of the two tightens the skin because it is drawing collagen to that area, okay? And I'm going to show you the instrument here real soon. So the combination of the two, the ultrasound for the fat emulsifying, get rid of the fat, right? Get it released, and then follow up with the collagen to come back into the area to tighten and make that skin nice and taut, right? Because nobody wants to walk around with loose, flappy skin. It looks kind of yucky, right? Also, crepey skin, you want that to get nice and tight. So the radio frequency, which has been out forever, your estheticians, dermatologists, they've been using that forever. Again, all FDA approved. I offer this service. Of course, I have waivers and disclaimers and all that, for that treatment. And I'm back in service, and again, so for that, all right? So I glove up and all of that. All right, so let's take a look at the product itself, and then I'm going to give you a quick demo just on my face. I've already done my abdominal regions and stuff like that, so I'm not going to bore you with that, but I'm going to show the radio frequency on my face. So here's the instrument right here, and I have several different ones. So here's the instrument. that I'm using, okay? And here's the red light therapy that I would put and apply on your body. All right, so these turn bright red, and let's go ahead and turn that on. We're going to go here, and these are going to turn light red. See the lights that turn red? Red light, and you put those on your body, okay? So wherever you apply the red light, you will see improvement in your skin. You'll see also you'll see weight loss in that area, okay? So that's that technology. All right, so let's turn that off. This is the ultrasound here. So nothing really to see other than, you know, when you turn it on, okay? So we'll go to the ultrasound, set it for 30, and I can increase and decrease the intensity, turn it on. Can't really see anything with that. It's just, it's vibrating at an ultrasound level. Okay, so let's turn that one off. Now let's turn on the radio frequency with red light, and this is the one that I use for body or big body parts. Okay, so let's turn that one on and increase the intensity. Here we go. And turn that on, and notice that the red light came on. If you can see, try to get the red light. Okay, see the red light where it came on? And I have this tape here for gripping because I need to hold on to it, okay? All right, so then we're gonna move then over to the face one. So I have two different face ones or smaller area bodies, so let's turn that one on. We'll turn on this one, which is for the larger face, okay? Or a larger area for the face. Not if you have a larger face, sorry. And you see the red light has turned on. Okay, with that one, there's a glow, okay? And let's turn that one off, and then we're going to go to the smaller one. Again, I have a tape around here so I can hold it, and let's go to the smaller one. And we're going to increase